Tuesday. Welcome to Tuesday's art class. I am the teacher. I am Faye, the helper. I help get the easel. I help get the art supplies, art books, paints. We are two new students, Tina and Lark. This is May. This is the expert. Going over to her seat. May just wanted to come back and say hi again. Hi. This is April. Take a seat. Sitting down, waiting patiently on Tuesday's art class. In week 1 through 4, we learned circles, drawing faces, line work, sketching, management of our colors, smoothing lines, and selecting the right paper to draw on. For lesson 5 through 8, we will learn how to paint and use gouache to show off our beautiful artwork in the tutorial. Number 1. She's patiently waiting again. Hi everybody, welcome to Tuesday's art class. It's 2/7/2023 and this is week number 7. Learning how to use gouache and opaque matte paint. You can still mix the paint with water. It has a quick dry. The materials that we will need is paper. Draw a picture outline, get a small cup of water, and grab your paints. This will be our first sketch. We're gonna go ahead and outline this apple. Make your own. I'm glad everybody practiced their circles so that you can just draw a circle with funny lines and then go ahead and go across the top part of it and add your stick and your details. Go ahead and draw. I will wait. For our apple tutorial, we will be using colors green, yellow, red, and blue. I am going to show you guys how to draw with the paint colors now. First, we'll start with the stem. Then we'll start with the red. Go on and fill it in. I love using this paint because it's so thick, and if you want to, you can add water to it. I'm gonna leave it thick because I like the way that red looks on there. Just two nice even brush strokes. The good thing about this paint is that you can pretty much dabble it. I usually put it all over where I'm painting it, and then I paint up with it. Look how beautiful it looks. And this, when it dries, it'll be a matte-like color. This apple will look so real, it'll look like you can eat it. It's actually what I use for my painting so that you can get the nice finish. Look at that, how smooth it is. This is the only type of paint that you're gonna get that you can actually achieve that and finish that quick. Look at that. Look at that. I said I love using it because it's so sweet. Look how real the apple looks. I'm gonna fill in the bottom part of it because I like to make sure that I have the whole painting completed. So I'm just gonna dab these pieces on here so that I can use the paint. And I'm not worried about mixing the color because I had green that I was using, so using the blue with the green to just make a surface for the apple is okay. Look at that. You see how you can even go on top of the colors while they're wet. Okay. Nice little finish right there. Okay. Now, got that. Have a stand for the apple. We're gonna fill in this little part right here. It's a little yellow coming in from the outside. Try to make sort of like a window. And again, I'm not worried about the paints mixing together, because once it dries, it's going to be a matte finish. So the mix actually makes it look a little bit more authentic. There we go. And after you finish your work, guys, and I haven't been writing